A digital signature is an electronic, encrypted, stamp of authentication on digital information such as email messages or electronic documents. A signature confirms that the information originated from the signer and has not been altered. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribe to our channel and enjoy the video. For example, you have a document where you need the digital signature of the authorized person. All you need to do is to place the cursor where you want to create a signature line in your document. Go to the Insert tab. Click on Signature Line in the text group and select Microsoft Office Signature Line. Now, you see the signature setup box where you must put the information of the signer. Now you put the name of the signer who will sign this document here. You can put the title of the signer, and then the email address. You can put the instruction to the signer as he can read it before signing the document. Now you can see two check boxes are available here. If you want signer to add comment while signing the document, then you must check this option. If you want the signature must include the date of signing, then you must check this option. When you are finished making your selections, click OK and the signature line is inserted into your document where you had placed the cursor. Now, let's suppose I am the signing authority and you have sent this document to me over the email. I can see the signature line where it is requested to sign. To do that, I will right-click over the signature line and select Sign to add my signature. Let's suppose you have your handwritten signature as an image. Then, click on Select Image and choose your image. Hit Select, and your signature is captured. Now I am seeing fields like commitment type and purpose of signing the document, because requester had enabled the option to add comment by the signer. I have the option to fill these details for the record of the document purpose only. Then, I can click on the Details button over here, and I have the option to fill these details for purpose of record. Once done, click on OK. Now, you see Change button here. This Change button is to change the digital certificate if I have any. After I made the choices, click Sign. Now you can see my signature is digitized in the document, and I can send this document back to the requester and no one can edit this document since signed documents are locked for editing. Now let's see other options to add signature to this document. Right-click. Select Sign. I can ink my signature using cursor or touch screen. And hit Sign. I can also type my name if I am not convinced with last two options. Go to Sign. Type the name. Hit Sign. Now you have learnt. Electronic signatures have changed the way that companies and individuals do business. The big question is, whether or not the built-in tools available with Word are sufficient for your needs. You have just watched how to add digital signature in Microsoft Word 2019. Subscribe to get notified about our latest videos. Do leave a comment and hit like.